Welcome to the future of sustainable tech. Imagine harnessing energy from any light source, be it sunlight, candlelight, or even moonlight. Sounds incredible, right? That's exactly what Exeger is doing at their high-tech factory in Stockholm. What's the secret? A groundbreaking 3D printer that produces miniature solar cells worth thousands of euros every 6 seconds. These aren't just any solar cells. They are Powerfoyle solar cells, designed to redefine our interaction with light and technology. Inspired by Sweden's long, dark winters, Exeger co-founder Giovanni Fili wanted to find a way to generate energy beyond just using the sun. Together with Henrik Lindström, they created a revolutionary new electrode material that's 1,000 times more conductive than anything before. This innovation paved the way for the creation of Powerfoyle solar cells, now produced on a commercial scale. Unlike traditional solar panels, Powerfoyle cells are incredibly efficient even in partial shading and don't rely on silver conductors. Plus, they're made from a patented material that can mimic surfaces like leather, carbon fiber, wood, and brushed steel, all while being waterproof, dustproof, and impact resistant. It works in any light, it's more durable than any other solar cell in the world. It's easy to manufacture, and it can mimic any surface. This way we can integrate into products that are already being sold, says Giovanni Fili. He predicts that their technology will touch the lives of billions of people by 2030. Powerfoyle solar cells are already powering everyday gadgets like headphones, wireless speakers, and more. Big names like Adidas, Philips, 3M, Logitech, and Apple are jumping on board. Join us in embracing the future of tech with Powerfoyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge technology.